Hi there, I'm Chandra from Definitive Brands Group, and welcome to Quick Q&A, where we offer simple answers to frequently asked questions from our customers. So today we're going to be looking at the different ways that you can open a stubborn filtration system to service it. So depending on the type of filtration system that you've purchased, generally you will have some sort of a bracket with some filter housings mounted on the bottom. This is a reverse osmosis system. This is an ultrafiltration system. So you'll see the housing designs are slightly different, but all of them have these sort of grooves that are molded in for easy removal, or loosening at least. So most of these systems come with, or all of the systems come with at least a housing wrench that's compatible with the size of housing. So we usually have two different sizes. This is for a slimline housing, which is something like this. This is for a big blue housing, which is typically a lot wider than this. If you do not have one of these, or you may have lost yours since your last purchase, you can purchase these from us separately. These types of housing, or housing wrenches we call them, are made to open your larger cartridge type housings like this. You just sort of slide it up and twist it. We do also offer some smaller housing wrenches. Typically it's best to ask us, depending on the type of housing you are looking for a wrench for. These are usually for smaller housings like this. So depending on the type of housing you have, this is usually a membrane housing. This is for an ultrafiltration membrane. This is for a reverse osmosis membrane. And depending on the type of housing you have, you will either, these are designed to be closed by hand, and these you can close by hand, but they are far easier to use something like this. You just take off the pipe, slide it over, and loosen it. If you do get stuck, you don't have one of these, an alternative which does work quite well is one of those tools that you use to open stubborn jam tins or something along those lines, sort of an elastic strap with a handle. That works quite well if you do get stuck, but ideally if you have the right tool, it does make your life a lot easier. As I said, these are available from our website. We will link this in our video description and offer a link in the video itself. And if you have any questions, you are welcome to contact us.